apparently Apple is working on a self-healing display for a foldable device. This is a thing I've seen before with certain screen protectors. It's a thing I've seen before with certain plastics. It's a thing I've seen certain case companies. I believe it was a case company called Inner Exile, which had a self-healing material on the outside of the case. So if it got scratched or something, over time, that thing would heal up. Now, that would take a while. And so the details on this potentially self-healing display for an Apple device are kind of interesting because it's talking about an ability to almost heal on demand. And apparently the way this would work is through the application of heat, a heat layer that when you plug in the device to charge would become initiated and then go in there and seal up any little micro scratches in there. How crazy is that?
Very cool.
Now,
very sci-fi.
It's something I noticed with the Z Fold 2. By default, out of the package, you have a kind of soft screen protector on there. Some people peeled it off on this one successfully. Oh. Some people don't like it at all. I don't mind that much. When it comes to durability on a device like this, you're already a little more concerned about it. So I can live with that. And I found something kind of bizarre, which was, since it has a little tackiness to it, unlike glass, I've actually found the split typing to be a little bit more accurate for me because the thumb isn't as likely to slide over to the next character. I don't know. Kind of a crazy, weird extra thing that I noticed, but definitely the swiping on the display, not as smooth, not as, just for people who are wondering what to expect. It's one of the things you live with a foldable display, and also the durability questions. Well, that's what Apple is aiming to solve here with their potentially folding iPhone, which is, I mean, they got to be working on it. Who knows how far it would be in the future. Here's the word from them. Displays are typically formed from rigid planar substrates. Although satisfactory in many situations, rigid displays such as these may be difficult to integrate into certain devices, such as devices with bendable housings. During operation of an electronic device, the display cover layer for the electronic device may be scratched or dented. To improve the aesthetics of the electronic device, it may be desirable for the presence of scratches and dents to be minimized. To help mitigate the number of dents, scratches, or other imperfections in a display cover layer, the display cover layer may include self-healing material. And then it goes on to talk about heat being used as the stimulus for the healing. The display cover layer may include transparent conductors that form a heating layer in the display cover layer. To generate heat to stimulate self-healing, the heating layer may be used to generate heat in response to user input according to a predetermined schedule or when the device is charging. What a wild concept.
Substrate.
I don't imagine this being right around the corner by any means. But it is such a cool idea that your phone is charging and also self-healing any little nick that may have taken place on a display. Yeah. It's such a futuristic feeling and idea. So anyway, at least Apple's thinking about it.